Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to activate dark mode on your Facebook page. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Facebook page. Now to turn on dark mode, first of all click on this icon of your account. I'll click over here and then go to settings and privacy. Click over here and after that click on these settings. After a while you can see I'm here in this interface. Now on the left you can see here is preference. Under it you can find here is dark mode. Just click on this and over here you can find this dark mode. Now you can see it's turned off. To turn on just click on this off and now over here you can see off, on and automatic. Now I'll click on this on. And now you can see dark mode is activated on my Facebook page. Facebook keeps changing this interface. Now if you can't find this dark mode over here, first of all go to settings and over here search for dark mode and just press enter and on the top you'll find this dark mode. Just click on this and you can simply turn on from here as well. So in this way we can turn on dark mode on Facebook page. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.